Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. Fall is here and winter is near. So in this video, I'll be introducing the ultimate solution to staying warm and comfortable wherever you go with this heated hoodie. Whether you're braving the cold during outdoor adventures, commuting in frigid temperatures, or simply looking for that extra layer of warmth, this heated hoodie has got you covered. This hoodie features 6 carbon fiber heating zones. 2 on the front chest, 1 on your back, 1 on the neck area, and 2 on the hood. You have the ability to choose from the chest and the back area, hood, or both, with the long press of a button. This innovative hoodie provides 3 heating modes with a short press of the power button. You can select your preferred heat level from high, medium, and low to ensure you're always at the perfect temperature. This hoodie is powered by a 10,000 milliamp rechargeable battery with a status indicator on top, continuously warming your body up to 4 hours when heating both chest and hood areas. And the battery fits nicely into a side pouch out of the way that zippers shut. This heated hoodie is not just about warmth, it's designed with style and functionality in mind as well. Crafted from high quality materials, it's both fashionable and durable, and is equipped with a kangaroo pocket, making it a versatile addition to your wardrobe. The hoodie is also machine washable, ensuring easy care and maintenance as well. For reference, I am 5 foot 11 inches tall with an average build, and the hoodie I'm wearing today is in a size large. I would say that the fit is very true to your average clothing line, and the feel of the material is very soft. You do have a little bit of the stiffness throughout the front areas as well as the back areas, and that is due from the heating elements and is to be expected. The fabric underneath on the inside is very soft and comfortable. If you're my size and looking for a little bit more of a snugger fit, I'd recommend going with the medium. But if you want to put layers on underneath, I recommend going with the large. Don't let cold weather stop you this year from enjoying your favorite outdoor activities. Experience the luxury of warmth and style with this heated hoodie. If you guys are interested in this heated hoodie, I'll have a link down in the description below. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.